The green hydrogen opportunity is massive, with over $300 billion in private investment commitments globally and government support exceeding $37 billion, but translating that opportunity into a real project can feel overwhelming. Today we're going to walk through the complete step-by-step process for starting your first green hydrogen project, from initial concept to financial close. The reality is that successful hydrogen projects don't happen by accident. They require systematic planning, careful attention to both technical and commercial factors, and a clear understanding of the interdependencies between technology choices, location decisions, and financial structures. We've analyzed data from thousands of projects globally through H2Hub's research platform, and the most successful developers follow a remarkably consistent development process that we're going to share with you today. Step 1 is conducting a preliminary feasibility assessment, and this is where many developers either set themselves up for success or create problems that haunt them throughout the entire project lifecycle. The key insight is that hydrogen project viability depends on the intersection of three critical factors: renewable resource quality, market access, and regulatory environment. H2Hub's global modeling data shows that projects in locations with excellent wind or solar resources can achieve hydrogen production costs 60 to 70% lower than projects in resource-poor areas, even when accounting for transportation to end markets. Your feasibility assessment should start with resource analysis. We recommend using tools like NREL's renewable energy databases or H2Hub's location-specific modeling to understand the capacity factors and energy costs at your potential sites. A location with 45% wind capacity factor versus 25% capacity factor can mean the difference between a profitable project and one that requires ongoing subsidies. Similarly, solar irradiance variations can create 3x differences in photovoltaic electricity costs, directly impacting your levelized cost of hydrogen production. Step 2 involves market analysis and offtake development, which industry experts consistently identify as the most challenging aspect for first-time developers. Unlike electricity, which has established grid markets and pricing mechanisms, hydrogen requires direct commercial relationships with end users. H2Hub's market intelligence research indicates that the most successful small and medium-scale projects focus on local or regional customers rather than trying to compete in global commodity markets from day one. The key is identifying customers who value hydrogen's specific characteristics and are willing to pay premium pricing for reliable, clean supply. Industrial customers like steel producers, chemical companies, and glass manufacturers often represent the best initial targets because they have existing hydrogen consumption and understand the technology. Mobility applications like fleet operators, transit agencies, and logistics companies can also provide strong offtake opportunities, particularly in regions with low carbon fuel standards or zero-emission vehicle mandates. Industry best practices strongly recommend beginning offtake discussions during the feasibility phase rather than waiting until after you've committed to specific technology or site configurations. Early customer engagement helps you understand volume requirements, delivery specifications, pricing expectations, and contract terms that will drive your project economics. H2Hub's template library includes sample memorandums of understanding and term sheets based on successful industry deals that can help structure these initial commercial discussions. Step 3 is technology selection and system design, where the decisions you make will determine both your capital costs and operational performance for the next 20 to 25 years. The electrolyzer represents the heart of your system, but the choice between alkaline, PEM, and emerging technologies like solid oxide electrolysis depends on your specific renewable energy profile, operating strategy, and performance requirements. H2Hub's component database tracks over 150 different technologies from 89 manufacturers globally, and our analysis of industry data shows that technology selection can impact total project costs by 30 to 50% depending on your application. Alkaline electrolyzers typically offer lower capital costs but require more stable power input, making them suitable for projects with baseload renewable energy or grid connections. PEM electrolyzers handle intermittent renewable input better but come with higher capital costs and more complex balance of plant requirements. Beyond the electrolyzer, your system design must address water supply and treatment, hydrogen purification, compression and storage, and delivery infrastructure. Each of these subsystems represents both capital cost and operational complexity that must be optimized for your specific project requirements. Industry case studies show projects failing because developers underestimated balance of plant costs or overlooked critical components like hydrogen drying or pressure management systems. Step 4 covers permitting and regulatory compliance, which varies significantly by jurisdiction but generally represents one of the longest duration activities in project development. Hydrogen projects typically require multiple permits covering construction, environmental impact, safety systems, and operational approvals. The good news is that regulatory frameworks are becoming more standardized as governments recognize hydrogen's importance for decarbonization goals. H2 Hub's training resources include jurisdiction-specific permitting guides that outline the typical approval processes, timeline expectations, and common bottlenecks for hydrogen projects based on regulatory research and industry reports. In the United States, projects generally require federal environmental review, state utility commission approvals, and local building permits. European projects must navigate EU renewable energy directives, national implementation frameworks, and local planning approvals. The key is starting the permitting process early and maintaining regular communication with regulatory authorities throughout development. Step 5 involves financial modeling and capital raising, where the quality of your analysis will determine your ability to attract investment and secure favorable financing terms. Hydrogen projects require detailed financial models that account for the interdependencies between renewable energy availability, electrolyzer performance, hydrogen production costs, and revenue streams. H2 Hub's financial modeling capabilities allow you to test sensitivity scenarios and optimize your project structure for maximum investor appeal. The most successful projects present clear, conservative financial projections that demonstrate strong returns under multiple scenarios. Investors want to see detailed assumptions about capital costs, operating expenses, capacity factors, hydrogen pricing, and contract terms. They also expect comprehensive risk analysis covering technology performance, market demand, regulatory changes, and competitive threats. H2 Hub's report generation tools can help you create investment-grade documentation that meets institutional investor requirements. Step 6 focuses on project execution and construction management, where careful planning and experienced contractors make the difference between on-time, on-budget delivery and costly delays. Hydrogen projects involve specialized equipment and safety systems that require contractors with relevant experience and training. Industry experts recommend developing detailed procurement strategies, construction schedules, and commissioning plans before beginning equipment orders. The integration between renewable energy systems and hydrogen production equipment requires particular attention during construction. Electrical systems must be designed to handle variable power input, control systems must coordinate between multiple subsystems, and safety systems must meet hydrogen-specific requirements. H2 Hub's training library includes construction management resources and lessons learned from completed industry projects that can help you avoid common execution pitfalls. Throughout this entire process, we cannot overemphasize the importance of assembling the right development team. Successful hydrogen projects require expertise spanning renewable energy development, chemical process engineering, project finance, regulatory compliance, and commercial development. Many first-time developers try to handle everything internally and end up making costly mistakes that could have been avoided with experienced advisors. H2 Hub's expert consultant network connects project developers with specialists who have successfully completed similar projects. Whether you need electrolyzer technology advice, financial modeling support, permitting guidance, or commercial development assistance, our platform helps you find qualified professionals who understand hydrogen project requirements. The timeline for completing all these steps typically ranges from 18 to 36 months depending on project scale, location complexity, and regulatory requirements. Smaller projects under 10 megawatts can sometimes move faster, while larger projects often require additional environmental review and stakeholder engagement. The key is maintaining momentum throughout the development process while ensuring that each step is completed thoroughly. Looking at successful projects in industry databases and case studies, we see that the most effective developers treat hydrogen project development as a systematic process rather than a series of independent activities. They begin with clear project objectives, maintain focus on commercial viability throughout technical development, and build strong relationships with customers, suppliers, and regulatory authorities. They also recognize that flexibility and adaptation are essential as market conditions and technology options continue evolving rapidly. For developers just beginning this journey, we recommend starting with H2 Hub's comprehensive training resources to build foundational knowledge before committing significant capital to specific projects. Our Green Hydrogen Mastery course covers all the topics we've discussed today in much greater detail, with practical templates and tools you can use immediately. The platform's financial modeling capabilities allow you to test different project configurations and identify the most promising opportunities for your specific situation. The hydrogen economy is expanding rapidly, creating unprecedented opportunities for developers who can execute projects efficiently and effectively. By following the systematic development process we've outlined today and leveraging the right tools and expertise, your first green hydrogen project can become a stepping stone to building a significant position in this transformative industry. Click the following links to get access to professional tools and resources to assist you with your project development today.